efficiency, innovation, quality, experience. Welcome to African Pegmatite. With over 48 years of experience as professionals in mining and manufacturing, African Pegmatite has been instrumental in providing base minerals to the manufacturing sector. Our 12 production facilities and our global network enabled us to supply thousands of tons of product per month to 44 countries worldwide for various industries, including clay and ceramic, glass coloring, water filtration, refractory, foundry, solvent extraction, agricultural, and much more. Whether you require milling, grinding, or drying industrial minerals, our talented team of experts will provide customized and specifically designed solutions to meet your unique needs. Our goal is to provide the very best materials available to our customers, helping them to maintain low manufacturing costs and uninterrupted production.